this 1968 Ford Torino. It just came in from a good customer of ours, thinning out his collection a little bit. Beautiful car. Gentleman that owned this car previously. Very fussy individual when it comes to his cars, and it definitely shows. As you can see, the paint on this, very nice luster to it. Has had a repaint from original, and again, it looks like it's about brand new. It is powered by a 390 underneath the hood. That's paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, also has a power top. We'll check out the interior here, the vinyl, everything, very nice on that. But take a look at the bright work and the chrome and everything on this car. Won't be afraid to show this car. Drive it to any of your local cruise-ins, or hey, just some of those Sunday afternoon fun days with the top down. See the boot and everything fits very nicely back there. Seats, vinyl, carpeting, everything in nice shape on this car. Take a look at the dash, not cracked. Center console. We'll slip around to the driver's side. Fired up so you can hear it run also. If you want to check out the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. See the undersides, engine bay, interior, all of those areas. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. And this is a true GT, by the way, Ford Torino GT. As we're walking around here by the door, I'll show you how you can tell. There's a data tag in it down here. And that 76D right there, body, that is a Torino GT convertible. So this is a true Ford Torino GT convertible. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Odometer states 38,263. I don't have confirmation whether that's actual or not. Again, car's been all gone through. See how easily it starts. Gas gauge works. I noticed this in this one earlier too. Take a look at the clock. The clock spinning around there working. Philco AM radio. I had that working here too. A couple little aftermarket gauges have added tastefully done with the dash there. You can see the oil pressure, and of course the water temperature gauge will come up as it warms up. Power top does work. There's the rest of your controls for fan and defrost and the heat and everything. Automatic on the floor. Very, very nice car. Nothing to hide on this one. Again, check out any of those still pictures. Nicely the door closes. Check out any of those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, our phone number is 507-386-1726. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Just a nice little rumble out of that 390. Nothing crazy. I'm going to pause it for just a second. We're going to pop that engine open so you can see how nice this engine bay is too, and hear that baby run. Alright, got the hood pop for you. There you can see the 390. Power brakes, power steering, how smooth it runs. Nice and tidy under the engine bay here. So there you have it, 1968 Ford Torino GT convertible, powered by a 390 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, power top. The car is in very nice shape. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or that website, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com.